Meet the Tifgalop ES7 Pro, a true powerhouse in the world of electric mountain bikes. Designed for those who crave extreme performance, rugged adventure, and uncompromising control, this bike redefines what's possible on two wheels. At the core of the ES7 Pro lies a dual 750-watt motor setup, delivering a jaw-dropping 3,000 watts of peak power. That's right, two motors working together to push out up to 90 Nm of torque, giving you an explosive launch and the ability to scale steep hills, ride through mud, gravel, or snow, and cruise confidently on open roads. Thanks to its sine wave controller, power delivery is smooth and efficient across all 5 speed settings, adapting instantly to how you ride, where you ride, and when you need that extra boost. Fueling this monster is a high-capacity 52V 21Ah lithium battery, built with Samsung or LG 18650 cells, known for their reliability and long life. It's cleverly designed to be removable, water-sealed, and easy to charge, whether at home or on the go. And with a range of up to 100 kilometers on pedal assist and 60 kilometers on pure throttle, you're free to roam far without worrying about a recharge. Plus, it's UL 2271 certified, so you know you're getting the best in safety and quality. But power means nothing without control, and that's where the ES7 Pro shines even brighter. The front and rear suspension system absorbs shocks from bumps, rocks, and rough trails, transforming even the harshest rides into smooth, manageable journeys. Whether you're commuting through the city or tackling off-road terrain, this suspension keeps you stable, comfortable, and in control. Stopping power is equally impressive. The bike is fitted with hydraulic disc brakes on both wheels, using 160mm rotors to give you fast, responsive braking performance in all conditions. Rain, dirt, or high speeds, these brakes are ready. The ES7 Pro rolls on massive 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires, built not only for visual impact, but for serious grip and traction. These puncture-resistant tires handle sand, snow, grass, or rocky paths with confidence. They absorb road vibrations, improve stability, and make your ride feel grounded and secure, no matter the surface. For visibility and safety, you get an integrated taillight that activates during braking and remains visible up to 50 meters, a crucial feature for riding at night or in low-light conditions. Up front, a bold motorcycle-style headlight lights the way with confidence, giving you full visibility no matter where your adventure takes you. And then there's the full-color LCD display. This isn't just a basic bike computer, it's your digital cockpit. Clear, vibrant, and intuitive, it shows your speed, battery level, trip distance, gear selection, and more. It's easy to read in bright daylight and essential for monitoring your ride in real time. Everything you need, at a glance. Topped off with a 7-speed Shimano transmission, an IPX6 water resistance rating, and a build that balances aggressive style with ergonomic comfort, the Tifgalop ES7 Pro is built to take you further, faster, and harder than most e-bikes in its class. Whether you're a commuter looking for serious speed, an off-road enthusiast chasing new trails, or simply someone who wants an electric bike that does more, handles better, and looks fantastic while doing it, the Tifgalop ES7 Pro is your ride.